This is Fabworks, is that what John said? Here's what this looks like. Little spacer in there. He is on, what tire size is this? This is 275 65 18. Kind of a weird tire size, but it does sit pretty nice and pretty nice for a two-wheel drive lift kit. This is it parked right next to a U-joint. The doors on the Chevys are longer, and the window appears smaller than this window, which kind of gives it the appearance of it being a little bit taller, but U-joint's a little bit taller, and it's on 35s. That's crazy, honestly. How is this company getting such crazy amounts of lift? That's crazy. What about, I don't understand the dynamics of and the Chevy has even higher ground clearance than the U-joint. What the fuck is going on here? That's nuts. The rears sitting pretty level, but look at the size difference in tires. 275 35s by 12. That's crazy. Now we come up to the top. Pretty level in the rear, but damn, this one, if this van had 35s, it'd make a U-joint look small. Who makes this fucking lift kit? I would buy a Chevy van right now if I can make it look like that. Man, that'd be sick. Brand new van. I wish they made these, but they don't. Stopped in 2014. Here's a Colorado camper. I think this car was over here. This car was at my shop today.